Hey guys, we're inspecting a property on a distress sale. We're inspecting a property and we're going to show you what to look for, what we look for when we're inspecting a property. Now this is a good deal, so I'll share the numbers with you in a minute, but one of the things we look for is the area. This is a $350,000 area, probably $400,000 with the larger houses and all fixed up. Now this one, one of the other things we look for is curb appeal, right? This one has got a circular driveway, and you can definitely has potential to do some good landscaping here. So it needs windows, it needs a garage door there, especially if you're rehabbing it and trying to get top dollar for it. And what I look at is the roof, right? As a rehabber, I want the roof to be around 10 years old or newer. Now this one looks to be older than 15 years old. I can just tell because it's the type of shingle and it looks a little bit, it looks run down. I don't know if you can see it through the video. Anyway, let's go inside and I'll show you some more stuff. Now, ideally you want to sell it, if you're wholesaling a property, you want to wholesale it to a landlord because they don't care about the age of stuff. They care about they care about being functional. They care about things being working. Like some of these windows, they're real old, but they work. So a landlord would leave those windows there. A rehabber will spend a lot of money just in this front windows. That's 3 windows. Each window you're looking at about $500-600 install. So just in the front right here, you're looking at, I don't know, a couple of $1,000 just on these 3 windows here. So the flooring looks pretty good to me. The popular thing now is, you don't want to do carpet. Like I think I saw the rooms there have carpet, but you want to do a larger tile. This is 20 years old. This is like a, 10 by 10, 12 by 12 tile. Now, right now, we do 18 by 18 or 16 by 16 tile. Let's go to the left first. Let's take a look. This garage is not too bad, just needs cleaning, painting, and some sealing, some drywall here. This is a flat roof. This is an older home close to the beach. So sometimes you expect flat roofs. But anyway, when you're looking at a property, you look at what do you have to get permits for? Like the roof, you got to get permits. You have to get permits. Like you almost need permits for everything, especially for the roof, especially for the electric. So we have a buster coming up January 23rd when we go into more details on what you need permits for and how much things cost. Like a panel right there to upgrade the electric panel, the inside and out. We talk about that. That's real old. There's a roof leak right there. Little mold. Lots of mold actually. So yeah, January 23rd. We have a bus tour. Look for the link in Facebook Live or look for more info in Facebook or Wholesaling Houses Now. So here we go, the kitchen. This kitchen's not too bad. I like the layout. It's got a lot of potential. Sometimes you can get away with replacing those cabinet doors depending on the price range. Just change the hinges there and put a new countertop, even if it's granite and you have a brand new kitchen. You'll save a lot of money in the kitchen. But in this price range, in the mid 300s, you might want to replace the whole kitchen, right? And put a new kitchen here, ideally white instead of brown, and a good granite, that would match the flooring and the kitchen. And definitely stainless steel appliances. You need those for sure. All right, the backyard looks good. Looks like they cleaned it up, but it still needs a lot of cleaning. So this house, we can buy this property for the low 200s. And it's low 200s and the ARV is 350. So it's a pretty good rehab, right? So it could be a pretty good rehab property. So this room, I see a roof leak right there. So the rule of thumb is for the roof and the ceiling repair, it's if he has 3 roof leaks, about 2-3 roof leaks or more, you might want to just repair the roof leaks. You know, this is a few $100. So if you fix in 2 or 3 roof leaks, that's about $1,000 or maybe a little more. But sometimes if you want to rehab the property and flip it, sell it retail, then you have to put a new roof, right? And this house is about 1,500 square foot house, so you're looking at about 10 grand for a roof here with permits. This AC is real old. I don't want to see the year there. I don't want to touch anything here because everything smells and it's kind of dirty and smelly. Now, this bathroom is old. It pretty much needs everything if you're going to rehab it. If you're going to keep it as a rental, you know, you can kind of save a lot of that. That bathroom, you can spend $1,000 or less if you're going to keep it as a rental, or if you're going to sell it if you're going to rehab it, then you're going to need about, you know, $4,000 or $5,000 to do that small bathroom. Now, this roof, there's nothing wrong with. Just paint it, clean it, paint it, put some flooring here. The bedroom, sometimes you do carpet, but most of the time, good flooring, it's the way to go. Not just tile, but some of the laminate flooring or something like that looks really nice in the bedrooms. These windows, again, those windows need to go. They work. You can maybe clean it real good and leave it like that. But you might have your buyers might not care. So you got to decide there. If you're rehabbing a property, you got to decide on that. And if you're spending more money on the bathrooms and kitchen, then I would leave some of the windows there and just do the front windows, the front of the house or something like that. Now, same thing with this bathroom. You can replace the cheap things here. Definitely needs everything, but you can always, if you want to spend $500, you can leave everything the way it is. Maybe paint that bathtub. Maybe change that window or not. So you can do, depending on your goal. If you want to sell it for top dollar, if you're putting more money somewhere else, you got to put less wherever it's not a need, right? The roof is a need, the kitchen's a need. Some of the bathrooms is not a need. So sometimes you can get away with leaving a lot of the stuff here, just changing a lot of stuff that looks really old. And as long as it's livable, as long as it's livable, it should be okay. So it's a small house, 2.2. Again, we're buying it for the low 200s. And I think we might rehab this one. I'll have to see. This is my first time looking at it. And I wish it was a 3-bedroom house. I would definitely rehab it. But right now, this could always be a hotel deal, right? Where we just clean it up a little more and then sell it to an end user, someone that's going to move into the property. Anyway, so that's it, guys. If you have more questions, let me know. If you're interested in the bus tour, January 23rd, let us know. Look for more info on the Facebook or Wholesaling Houses Now. And if you have more questions on any other properties, or if you gotta come to the bus tour, it's going to be fun. It's usually about 20 or 30 people, and we go see some of the properties at that time. In a few weeks, look for the link for the Zoom on Facebook or the social media, and we're going to have a great time. And we're definitely going to buy a house, just like this one. This is an easy buy. All right, have a great day. Talk soon.